In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Notion. If you've been juggling links between scheduling and notes, embedding your Calendly right inside Notion is a simple way to keep everything in one place. This lets you or your team open a page and instantly view your available times without leaving your workspace. Start by heading to your Calendly. You're going to copy the link to your scheduling page. This can be your main Calendly profile link, which shows all your public event types, or a specific event link if you want people to book a particular meeting. If you're already on the page you want to share, you can copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. If you prefer, use the Share or Copy Link option in Calendly to make sure you've got the right public booking link. The key is that it's a link guests can open without needing any special access. With that link copied, switch back to your Notion page where you want the booking interface to appear. Click into the page and type /embed, then press Enter. This tells Notion you're adding an embedded block, which is designed for content like videos, maps, and in this case, your Calendly booking page. Now, paste the Calendly link into the field that appears and click Create Embed. Notion will load the Calendly interface right inside your page. After a moment, you should see your scheduling options exactly as they appear on your live booking page. You and anyone who can view this Notion page will be able to open dates, pick a time, and book directly from here without opening a new tab. If it doesn't load the first time, double-check that the link is the correct public scheduling URL and that there aren't extra characters at the end from copying. Try pasting again, and give it a moment to render. If you see only a link instead of the full calendar, remove it and use the embed block again, so Notion treats it as an embed rather than plain text. A quick refresh of the page can also help if the connection hiccups. And that's it. You've copied your Calendly link, used the embed command in Notion, and created the embed. It's a fast, reliable way to make scheduling accessible right where you take notes, plan projects, or share resources with your team. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother workflow.